It's fair to say that 2020 has been pretty eventful, and it's just been announced that a mysterious object has made its way close to our planet. What's interesting though is that scientists aren't sure what this object is. The object has been given the name of 2020 SO by astronomers and researchers, and they've said that the object will come within 31,000 miles of our planet. Although this sounds like it won't cause any issue for us, an object that's travelling this close to our planet has to be monitored. The object is said to pass by us today. One of the researchers who has been keeping a close eye on the object said they're not even sure what this is, saying that they're pretty sure it isn't an asteroid, going on to theorise that the object could possibly be a piece of space debris that's made its way towards our planet. Paul Chodo said that 2020 SO might actually be a Centaur rocket booster, and this would have been from one of NASA's failed missions. It's not uncommon for NASA and other space agencies to pick up on these types of objects, with them saying that the majority of them will burn up on re-entry. Other researchers though have said that all the necessary tests need to be carried out in order to know what these objects are, saying that if something is detected that could cause harm to our planet, we're on limited time. After looking through the data, Chodo said that the object has actually come close to Earth several times in the past. He went on to say the following: "One of the possible paths for 2020 SO brought this object very close to Earth and the Moon in late September 1966. It was like a eureka moment when a quick check of launch dates for lunar missions showed a match with the Surveyor 2 mission." End quote. This is just one of the many objects that are currently zipping around close to our planet. Another object which astronomers have openly talked about is that of an asteroid which has been given the name of the god of chaos, or Apophis. It's currently making its way towards our planet, and it's just one of the many objects that will come close to Earth within the next few years. Most asteroids pass by us with hundreds of thousands of miles to spare, but this one is thought to come within 19,000 miles of our planet's surface, and this is if it stays on the course it's currently on, something that doesn't always happen. This is extremely close and means that scientists will have to observe the object closely. One of the worries with most of these near-Earth objects is if it does collide with our planet. This asteroid measures in at over 1,000 feet, so something of this size would easily cause a lot of damage to where it made contact. NASA said the following on their website: "Asteroid 99942 Apophis is a near-Earth asteroid more than 1,000 feet in size that will pass close to Earth on April 13, 2029. When it was discovered in 2004, the asteroid caused a stir because initial calculations indicated a small possibility it would make impact with Earth in 2029. After searching through some older astronomical images, scientists ruled out the possibility of a 2029 impact. It's now predicted the asteroid will safely pass around 19,800 miles from our planet's surface. While that's a safe distance, it's close enough that the asteroid will come between Earth and our Moon, which is around 238,855 miles, or 384,400 kilometers away. It's also within the distance that some spacecrafts orbit Earth. It's rare for an asteroid of this size to pass so close to Earth, although smaller asteroids in the range of 16 to 33 feet or 5 to 10 meters have been observed passing by at similar distances. Marina Brozovic, a radar scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Science, said the following: "The Apophis close approach in 2029 will be an incredible opportunity for science. We'll observe the asteroid with both optical and radar telescopes. With radar observations, we might be able to see surface details that are only a few meters in size." End quote. NASA continued by saying the following: "During its 2029 flyby, Apophis will become visible to the naked eye in the night sky over the southern hemisphere, and will look like a speck of light moving from east to west over Australia. It will be mid-morning on the US East Coast when Apophis is above Australia. Apophis will then cross above the Indian Ocean, and continuing west it will cross the equator over Africa. At its closest approach to Earth just before 6 p.m, the asteroid will be over the Atlantic Ocean. It will move so fast that it will cross the Atlantic in just an hour." End quote. One thing astronomers and researchers have said is that it's important to conduct further tests. When they're first picked up on, the researchers are on a time limit to try and understand their flight path. Detecting a celestial body early on is essential to understand what its behaviour is like. Researchers noted that back in 2018, we saw more than 91 near-miss hits of different asteroids of all sizes passing by our fragile blue planet. The worrying thing is that out of 91 asteroids that passed by us, only 30 of these asteroids were seen coming prior to their passing, and only 2 of those were discovered 1 year ahead of the near-miss event. This means that for more than 89 of the asteroids nearly striking Earth in 2018, only 2 of them could have been prevented with our current technology, showcasing just how threatening these large celestial bodies can be. As of right now, scientists and researchers have said it's important for us to be constantly scanning the skies. Just because we've logged thousands of these celestial objects, it doesn't mean that every one of them is accounted for. Some slip through and this could be dangerous. After all, an asteroid with a length of only a few hundred meters could potentially wipe out an entire city. It's also interesting to note that space agencies are working on ways to break up asteroids if they're on a collision course. So what do you make of these asteroids and near-miss events? Also, do you think it's possible that an asteroid could lead to our downfall? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comment section below, and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.